mentioned that if you take a vitamin C supplement, it should contain alkaline.
Yes.
What about that product, Emergency, which has 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C? Is that any good?
Where does it come from?
Where do I come from?
Where does the vitamin C come from?
The vitamin C,
It's acid. That's the problem. It's too acid. Okay? There's a very good vitamin C, the same company that I gave you. I am not endorsed by anybody, but I've done my research. I have one vitamin C that I give my patients in my office. It's the Perk vitamin C because it has a pH of 8 and it comes from cassava. And cassava is a plant.
It's like, right.
You know, and you know, so the key, and this, you really tied into the alkalinity and the acidity. Part of the problem with the illnesses is our body are acid. You're drinking milk, you're eating too much fried chicken and some shrimp, and you know, bad food is making you acid. When you're acid, you know, you are developing cancer. You are not detoxing. The organs are not working 100%. Acidity has something to do with the pH, okay, the proton in the body, okay. So it goes from 4 to 8. Most people that start a wellness program are 4 or 5, very acid. The higher the number, the better. But that's also true. If you're too high, it's bad. 8, 9 is too alkaline. You want to be 7.5, 7.7. We're born into the world, if we're healthy, at a pH of 7.4. So we have to maintain that throughout. And it's our food that gives us the alkalinity, the minerals. So if you're mineral deficient because you have vitamin D3 and you're not eating your vegetables and your fresh fruit, then you're acid. So you have arthritis, the calcium and the gout symptoms start to occur because you're acid, and that's where the body starts to break down, the acid. So to answer your question about vitamin C, the best source, of course, is your fruits, your vegetables, your orange, your grapes, your berries. You know, those are the most important. Or the food is the medicine. Now, because we live in a depleted country, the soil is depleted, the food is depleted, and we are the only animal on earth that doesn't make vitamin C. You take a little ant, you take an elephant, they make vitamin C. We don't. Are we from this planet? I don't know. We're not making vitamin C, but we are provided with a plethora of fruits, of fresh fruits.
So it's supposed to be an immune booster, baby.
Well, vitamin C is
Energy,
good,
yeah.
but anything that is denatured, taken out of the fruit, carries with it a risk factor. Is it pure? Is it acid? Where does it come? Is it man-made? If it's say ascorbic acid, it's acid. You want to see ascorbate, or ester C. Those are alkaline vitamin C that you can take. But the best is your orange, your grapefruit, your lemon, you know, every day put a little lemon in your water, some lime, that kind of thing.
Yeah, that's good. That's like
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, how about the omega-3, the fish oil? We should buy something, cost of?
Very good question.